Hello guys, Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year. I'd like to talk a little bit about the book that I read, The Spirit of Leadership by Myles Munroe. Let me start with this statement from the book. Trapped in every follower is the spirit of leadership. Yes, I know the rhetorical question that usually ensues when a statement like this is made. People tend to ask, who then becomes a follower if everyone is a leader? Well, the truth is, leadership is not an elite club for a certain few. It is the true essence of all human beings. The difference, of course, between a leader and a follower is in that unique mental attitude and thinking. I'm sorry, guys, but having a degree or enrolling for MBA courses, acquiring skills and trainings, memorizing formulas does not actually make one a great leader. Attitude does. There is this statement that I find very fascinating in the book, that an army of sheep led by a lion would defeat an army of lions led by a sheep. Do you know why? It's all about attitude. Yes. And what is genuine leadership? The book defines genuine leadership as one's internal disposition, which relates to a sense of purpose, self-worth, and self-concept. Like I said, leadership is not about memorizing or learning skills. It all boils down to attitude. The book goes further to talk about some leadership myths. Certain people believe that the first myth, and yes, the book explains the leadership myths and tries to debunk them, contrary to what people think. The first one is leaders are born and not made. The second one, leadership by providence. Some people think that some people were chosen by some gods or some divine powers, bestowed upon them to become leaders. That is so not true. Leadership as a result of charismatic personality. That's the third one. The fourth one, leadership as a result of forceful personality. Leading people with some sort of forceful tactics to get them obey and respect you because they are perceived to be stubborn. And the fifth one is leadership as a result of special training. Like I said, one does not have to enroll for business courses or be taught about leadership methods to become great leaders. It all boils down, like I've said it a couple of times, about attitude. And the book also talks about the prerequisites and some of the prerequisites. Actually, there are three prerequisites that the book talks about and attitudes of a true leader. And the first one is purpose. Of course, purpose and passion were kind of like spoken in the same vein. But let's talk about purpose. Purpose creates a leader because it provides an assignment for life and signals a sense of significance. Your leadership is hidden in your purpose, and your purpose is the key to your passion. And what is passion? Passion could be defined as a deep desire, a craving, an obligation, a deep commitment, etc. And passion is the driving force of motivation that sustains a true leader. And the second attitude of a leader is initiative. Leaders don't wait for the future to come. They create it. They create the future. They don't wait for others to do what they know they should or could do. The inspiration of a leader is vision. And the book goes further to say a vision is a picture of what you want to accomplish. In other words, vision is a desire, while initiative gets it accomplished. So guys, these are just it's just a summary of the book, and I just hope I would really recommend this to everyone who would like to go through, because it's a very, very good book. So I hope that this the little that I was able to like my summary, like somebody will find it very interesting. Thank you very much.